How deep cleaning by professionals will keep your carpets clean? It's Christmas time yet again, a Christmas with a difference. You've got to deep clean your carpets for the COVID-19 as well. So what you need to do? You need to hire carpet cleaning professionals in Melbourne straightway. You need to hire Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. How does our deep cleaning help? Our deep cleaning includes spot cleaning, steam cleaning, encapsulation, dry cleaning. Thus you see, all these steps by Melbourne Carpet Cleaners will go a long way to keep your carpets clean for Christmas. And to keep COVID-19 at bay. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.